Yeah, there's no big rain event in the near-term forecast. Only high pressure that's really setting up to our south. And what this is going to do is work against any storm system that tries to sneak in. So we do have one, actually kind of two, moving through this week. But as you see, this one kind of shrinks the high pressure back down a little further to the south, but not much rain expected across South Texas, closer to Corpus Christi. All the rain staying across North Texas with this high pressure setting up to our south. Now, there is one system that looks like it may be strong enough to try to shrink that high pressure a little bit, give us an opportunity for rainfall on the northern end of this high pressure ridge. That would be next week, next Tuesday into Wednesday. That's still a ways out in the forecast, so it's not really worth getting excited about. But what you see here is this high pressure ridge, this center, this dome essentially starts building into next week. So any hope for weakening that even just a little bit is a good sign, because our temperatures are only going up. We're talking heat index values around 110 to 115 as we head into the weekend. So Monday on Memorial Day could be a rather hot one, but you likely will have some excessive heat warnings across the region heading into next week. High temperatures in the mid 90s all week long and heading into the weekend. So specifically for Memorial Day weekend, we're talking 95 degrees on Saturday and Sunday. Wind honestly, it's a pretty consistent forecast. Wind out of the southeast 10 to 20, gusts up to 30. So it will be windy over the weekend, which helps a little bit blowing that hot air around, but still it is going to be hot. Lows right there around 79 to 80. So I've showed this a lot this morning, but it is so important. Heat is the #1 weather related fatality across North America. So please take the proper precautions to stay hydrated, take the frequent breaks in the AC if needed, apply your sunscreen, light colored loose fitting clothes, and wear a hat, and limit that strenuous activity, especially now that we have heat advisory in place from 1 to 7 p.m. across much of the coastal bend. You see here that those heat index values peaking around 1 p.m. in Kingsville at 110, all the way to 114 at 3 p.m. and then not falling below 100 until we get to 8 p.m. So after the sun starts to set. 110, your peak heat index, Robstown, Corpus Christi, 114 Kingsville today. Hour by hour, notice we do still have that haze, so that will be with us as well. Temperatures still in the mid 90s, even with the smoke from the agriculture burning to our south. That is expected to linger well through the week, possibly clearing out a little bit over the weekend, but still expecting mostly sunny skies and hot temperatures in your extended forecast.